Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing and specifications video for a Milwaukee M18 Gen 2 fuel blower. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so I picked this up with the Dewalt FlexVolt 60 volt blower as well. This one is the Milwaukee 2724-20. It's bare tool. I got this, and the promo that AcmeTools is doing is that you got your choice of an XC 5.0 battery or the dual simultaneous rapid charger from Milwaukee for free. And I grabbed the rapid charger. It didn't show up because I think it's out of stock, is what they said, I believe, when I ordered, which I was, not upset about it. It's no big deal. It gets here when it shows up. And I'll probably be doing like some testing videos on the rapid charger. I know a lot of people don't like that the regular standard rapid charger is noisy. I do notice one of mine is noisy on the larger batteries. Any battery, high output or high demand battery bigger than a 6, it's loud. For like the output batteries, the 6, it's not. My rapid chargers are not loud. But anything bigger than that, like an 8 or a 12, it's loud. So I'll probably do a video of putting 2 batteries on it, probably 2 8s or something like that, because I don't have 2 12s. But and we'll go from there. But specifications on this blower is max air volume is 450 cubic feet per minute. Max air speed is 120 miles per hour. Noise rating in decimals is 62. Lock on button, yes. Length is 33.8 inches. Weight is 4.9 pounds. And it's got, the power to clear from 15 feet, full throttle under 1 second, up to 4 pounds lighter. Brushless motor, red link intelligence, red lithium battery pack, all the normal stuff that Milwaukee has on their boxes. Flap's not cooperating. Box is in pretty decent condition for a box that wasn't packaged in another box. This so you guys can see. Instruction manual. Blower tube. We have a M18 pamphlet, an M12 pamphlet. And we have a free entry sticker. Get the box out the way. Power unit is in a bag. It's got a little protective cardboard over the battery compartment. grab the scale. We're going to weigh it without the blower attachment. It's 4 pounds, 1.8 ounces. And the box says 4 pounds, 9 ounces. So the box says 4.9, basically. So it's a little lighter. Let me point this down so you guys can see. Oh. Yep, 4.18. You have the turtle and the rabbit. And then you have the lock-on switch. You push the trigger in. I push the button and it locks it on. Pull the trigger to unlock it. Okay. The blower tube is 12.8 ounces. So okay. You got the tube locked in. We're going to weigh it one more time with the tube. It is now 4 pounds, 14.3 ounces. So it's actually pretty accurate to what it states on the box. And there's a, let me move the camera and the scale so I can show you guys. Alright, so on the bottom, there's this lever right here. Push the lever forward and you could pop the tube off. Oops, I hit the cabinet. Comes off pretty hard, but the way it goes on is you can only put it on one way. So the Milwaukee fuel emblem on the tool and the Milwaukee emblem right side up, same direction. Push it in and it will snap. You'll hear the audible snap. So basically, Milwaukee emblem right here is on both sides. It's on this side also, but it's got to be right side up. And on the tool, it's got the Milwaukee fuel on both sides as well. So maybe we can find reducers and stuff like that. I'll look in the future for stuff like that. But it's nice. I like that it sits up. I haven't used it yet. This is just going to be an unboxing. And we'll see how well it works. I'll see you guys on the unboxing for the Dewalt FlexVolt as well. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, leave some comments down below. If you guys want to see it in use, I'll try my best to do an in-use video. I don't have a lot of leaves around here. What I'm going to be using this for is like cleaning dirt and, you know, grass and or dead weeds, dead grass that brushes up on my patio in the front of my house from windstorms. And I'll probably be using this when I wash my vehicles. I'll use this to dry the to bead the water off the vehicle. And if you know, I have a use where I need to move a lot of grass or something. I don't have grass or anything like that in my yard. I have a couple trees that drop leaves, but you know, it takes a while because I already cleaned up all the weeds. So if I'm going to release a video where I'm moving, you know, lots of leaves, it's going to be a while from now. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I will do a video of this as well as the Dewalt FlexVolt 60 volt model. We might even do a comparison. Not sure yet, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.